Remember when David died, 12 pike, the Budweiser heavy for the road. Two kids in the bike, drunk off their ass, screaming in an old Bronco. And I recall what she said, that she wanted me dead. There ain't no grave deep enough. Remember all the nights we had, you said it ain't so bad. Keep those heavy eyes looking up. Remember when Mary brought her own Jane? Lucas thought he was gonna die. The stars started falling out, a night cloud from a clear Midwestern sky. I recall what she said, screaming that the sky's red, burning to a younger man's mind. Remember all the days we had, I say it ain't so bad. Keep those heavy eyes soft and kind. Oh, when I'm old, I will recall all the nights we spent outlaws. It's getting cold, but that sun is cresting, and heavy eyes ain't born to rest in. Who's gonna drive us home? The boys and me are walking staggered, vision blurred. One thing you'll come to know, the boys back home live for things like dead man's curve. I recall what he said, he'd rather be gone and dead than living like those sad folks in town. I can't take this soul with me, if I go I'm going quickly. Keep those heavy eyes free and proud. Oh, when I'm old, I will recall all the nights we spent outlaws. It's getting cold,